Hello and welcome to my English class. Our today's topic is alphabets. We will try to learn letter N. Its sound is N. N for net, N for nose. Net, nose. N for night, N for nest. Night, nest. N for noodles, N for nail polish. Noodles, nail polish. N for neck pillow, N for necktie. Neck pillow, necktie. N for nuts, N for nail cutter. Nuts, nail cutter. N for napkin, N for notepad. Napkin, notepad. N for needle, N for night lamp. Needle, night lamp. N for nachos, N for newspaper. Nachos, newspaper. N for necklace, N for nail. Necklace, nail. N for Napa cabbage, N for neck. Napa cabbage, neck. N for Nepal, N for Netherlands. Nepal, Netherlands. N for nightingale, N for nurse. Nightingale, nurse. N for nine, N for ninja. Nine, ninja. This is it for now. And don't forget to subscribe my channel Candyland Club. Thanks for watching. See you soon.